heck are you?
Now it's your turn. Come on, kid. Show me what you got.
Wow, you are really cool for a woodpecker.
Are those peanut butter bonkers? I'm a sucker for peanut butter. Come on, brother. Share the wealth. Spread the love. Hook me up.
What are you trying to tell me?
Humans. You gotta spell everything out for them.
Oh, you're hungry. You want a peanut butter bonker?
Does a woodpecker peck in the woods?
You like that, huh?
It's even better than beetle larva! Which, if you haven't tried, is quite good when in season.
Have another?
Don't gotta ask me twice.
It's okay.
Hey, don't let the mushy music fool you. We're not friends or anything. I'm only doing this for the free food.
I'm gonna call you Woody.
Huh?
You like that name? Woody.
And I'm gonna call you Kid Who Just Ran Out of Bonkers. See ya!